Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for honest reviews. Automobile Crescimoon, looking for the best dash cam that sees clearly in the dark? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 night vision dash cams that deliver crystal clear footage, even in low light. Whether you drive at night or just want in. Number 1. The AZDOME 360 degrees 4-channel dash cam is a powerhouse. This device features a 2K front camera and 3 1080p side and rear cameras, giving you unmatched full view protection. The built-in 128GB eMMC storage is reliable and faster than traditional SD cards, while voice control adds hands-free convenience. I especially like the 5G Wi-Fi support. Transferring videos to your phone is incredibly quick and smooth. Night vision and wide dynamic range help capture clear footage even in low light. Installation is straightforward, and the interface is user-friendly. In my video, I walk through setup, app connectivity, and real driving footage from all 4 angles. Whether you're a rideshare driver or just want better security on the road, this dash cam is worth the investment. Watch the full review to see it in action. Number 2. The Miden 2.5K dash cam front and rear is a great value for drivers looking for full coverage and high-definition footage. With crisp 1600p front and 1080p rear recording, the camera captures clear details day and night. The wide 176 degrees plus 160 degrees viewing angles ensure maximum coverage with minimal blind spots. The included 64GB SD card is a nice bonus, and the 3.2-inch IPS screen makes playback easy. Its G-sensor adds collision protection, auto-locking important files. Setup is user-friendly, and the dual cameras are compact yet powerful. Great for everyday driving or rideshare protection. Definitely worth it for peace of mind on the road. Number 3. The REDTIGER F17 4K 3-channel dash cam is an impressive all-in-one driving recorder. This video does a great job showcasing the ultra-clear 2160p front cam, plus the 1080p interior and rear views. Perfect for rideshare drivers or added security. The built-in GPS and 5 GHz Wi-Fi make playback, and downloads fast and seamless. I appreciated the IR night vision and the included 64GB card, which makes setup easy right out of the box. The 3-inch display is crisp and the UI is intuitive. Overall, your review clearly highlights real-world performance, video clarity, and installation tips. A must-watch for anyone considering this dash cam. Number 4. The OVAMAN K600 4K dash cam is an impressive addition to any vehicle, offering sharp UHD 2160p resolution for both front and rear cameras. In my video, I break down how the 3.59-inch IPS screen provides crisp visuals and is easy to navigate, even in bright daylight. One standout feature is the built-in GPS and 5G Wi-Fi, which makes it incredibly convenient to access footage and track routes via the companion app. The included 64GB SD card is a nice bonus. No need for an extra purchase to get started. Night vision performance exceeded my expectations, capturing clear details even in low-light driving conditions. The setup process is beginner-friendly, and the app interface is smooth and responsive. I also tested loop recording and parking monitoring, and both worked flawlessly. Overall, the K600 offers premium features at a reasonable price point. Whether you're commuting or taking long road trips, this dash cam adds an extra layer of security and peace of mind. Highly recommended. Number 5. The VIOFO Dashcam A119 Mini 2 is an impressive choice for anyone looking to upgrade their in-car security system. With the STARVIS 2 sensor, it delivers exceptional video quality, recording in 2K at 60 frames per second or HDR at 30 frames per second, ensuring clear footage even in low-light conditions. The voice control feature adds convenience, while the 5 GHz Wi-Fi allows for quick and easy access to footage. The GPS functionality is great for tracking routes, and the Night Vision 2.0 provides excellent clarity at night. Additionally, the 24H parking mode offers peace of mind when your car is parked. Overall, this dash cam is a solid investment for anyone seeking high-quality, reliable surveillance for their vehicle.